Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Litecoin from your Arculus wallet to a Tangem wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to securely move your assets is essential for any investor. Whether you're switching for better security features or just organizing your holdings, this step-by-step guide will have you covered in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure both your Arculus and Tangem wallets are updated to the latest 2025 versions. This ensures compatibility and reduces the risk of errors. Start by opening your Arculus Wallet app on your device. Navigate to your Litecoin holdings. It's usually under the Assets or Portfolio tab. Once you're there, select the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Remember, double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Next, switch over to your Tangem wallet. This hardware wallet is known for its top-notch security, so grab your device and open the app. Go to the Receive section to generate a new Litecoin address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so no typos allowed. Now, head back to Arculus and find the Send or Transfer option for Litecoin. Paste the Tangem address into the recipient field, enter the amount, and review any transaction fees. In 2025, blockchain fees for Litecoin are often dynamic, so keep an eye on that to save costs. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to use biometric authentication or your PIN for security. After that, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official one. And remember, never share your private keys or recovery phrases. If you run into any issues, most wallets have built-in support or community forums to help. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Litecoin in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.